Hi guys, so what we're gonna do is we are going to see what's inside of a Skinny Cow chocolate bar. So we are going to use just one of these straws, and we're gonna use it, and we're gonna scoop out the stuff in the middle without breaking the outside, hopefully. I already tried a little bit, kind of broke, so I'm gonna try it from here. So let's put it closer, you guys. See, I'm already getting them to cut. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay, and so I'm gonna cut this like this. Okay, well I got the top part out. This is the top part, so I guess there's more to it because there's like bubbles and things like that. I'm gonna try to get the bubbles out. So here's the bubbles, and so they have like a thin layer of chocolate on top of all that. Didn't get all the bubble out, but I got a big piece of chocolate out right there. I'm just gonna, okay. That's all chocolate. Don't worry, my hands are clean. No, but I cleaned them. Whoa, okay, well. Okay, so now I'm gonna break it here. See, when I break it, that's what it looks like. So now, I'll keep that one there. And I'm just gonna scoop off the bottom this time. Like that, so you can see inside. I'm gonna scoop off the bottom and scoop off the top. And then you don't need to do anything with the extra chocolate, just there is like bubbles in it. See, there's like bubbles in it. Okay, so now we're gonna take off the top a little bit. And at the top, there's weird. In the top, there's this part, smooth part. Oh my gosh, it's melting in my warm hands. I'll just take it all. Oh my god, this stuff already melted onto it. Okay, so this is the top. This is the bottom. And I'm just gonna give her a little slice of it. Here you go. That's just the bubbles on top of it. And the bubbles take some. It tastes like regular chocolate. It tastes like melting chocolate. Kind of tastes the same, but the smooth part kind of tastes like dark chocolate. Yeah. And the bubbly part, I think is just dark chocolate, all of it, but it just tastes indifferent. So this is from the first part. We have the bubbly part. Let's see if you can see it. The bubbly part. And this is the smooth part. And then it's like, it goes like this, and you can see the bubble marks on the bottom of this one. And I guess they just put it on the bottom to make it like that. And then see like this. Okay. And so like that's how they make it, I guess. And then so it looks like that. And then they just eat it. And see, this is what I'm gonna cut this one. But so you're gonna cut it like this. And just cut it like that. Okay, and so you're just gonna like cut it like that. Okay, so I'm just cutting it right there so that you guys can see the smooth part. I kind of pulled up the skin a little bit. There's the smooth part. I'll just take off the chocolate on the top. It's kind of like that.
Cool. Blend the chocolate. And then put it in
So this is that. And so I
melts chocolate.
oh,
Okay, but do you know what we should do?
so we're just gonna
We should put that chocolate and put it in a cup.
we're doing what's inside.
What?
What's inside chocolate?
Hey, where's my candy?
Huh?
Aubrey, look, I Pikachu.
This is what's inside the chocolate, and so there's just like that. Scoop it
Can
up.
you walk with yours?
Yeah. I scooped out the bottom.
Here's my buddy.
Oh,
I don't have this guy.
Look, and that's what it looks like.
Look, I'm about to catch someone.
Oh,
I
you
don't
are?
have yet.
Now,
Let's see.
Let's
Let's
try
see.
and
Moment
eat
of
it.
truth. Yeah, I caught him.
got it?
Yeah.
Okay, so that's the end of the video, guys. Because the chocolate's gone. And so,
Oh my gosh,
you-
I'm almost lost.
look, I'll show you what it is.
We should show them what's inside and erase it. Watch out.
This is the wrapper of it. Okay. Truffle, blissful, skinny cow with this cow on it.
We should just keep on making it.
And it's Nestle, and it says dark chocolate flavor. And it says I think it says skinny cow because it says get skinny by eating this. So I guess it's for like women. It says candy bar right here. And it says
Kayla, we should do a little bit
blissful
more.
truffle. A layer of soft truffle drenched in dark chocolate goodness. Right?
I'm gonna do a what's inside video. It's even Pokemon arrived though.
I don't, it's kind of blurry, but
Let's do a what's inside.
I just wrote it to you. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. So yeah. So hopefully you guys get skinnier from that if you eat it. So bye guys.